Attorney Palad,
Apo.
ano ho ba talaga si Ramil Madriaga sa office kay Vice President Sara Duterte?
According
Bagman ho ba siya? Ex-aide ho ba siya? Dati ba ho empleyado? What really is his role as he is alleging dito sa Office of the Vice
Actually, we never use
President?
the word aid or empleyado. Ang sabi niya, he does this intel works, operation, political, and everything, no? Wala siya sa plantilla. Ang sabi niya, kung anong iutos sa kanya, gagawin niya. Do this, form this, support this, subaybayan mo to, hanapin mo to. He will do whatever is asked of him. From the President, and then nung ipinasa na siya kay then Mayor BP Sara.
Okay, just a brief background for those who are just tuning in and may not know who Ramil Madriaga is. Well, number one, kilala ho siya na Madriaga Kidnap for Ransom Group, hindi ho ba? Siya po yung sinasabing leader ng tinatawag na Madriaga Kidnap for Ransom Group. And that is the reason, would that be correct, sir, why he is in Camp Bagong Diwa now currently being detained?
Actually, it's easy for the police to say na leader ng kidnap for ransom group yan. But when you go to court, these statements naman, hindi ma-prove ng mga police. Mahilig kasi sila mag-brand. Yung maglagay ng category na drug queen yan, drug lord yan, kidnap for ransom leader yan. Pero when you go to court, may ebidensya ka ba? Wala.